This is a little walk-in freezer. They also have a cooler. That's a place I do some work for. And I just had pulled up. I walked inside and the fans hadn't even come back on yet. It's been in defrost. So I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes before it gets started. And cool it back down. It was up to about 10 degrees. But came out to actually put some heat tape on the drain line the other night. And when it went into defrost, I actually forced it into defrost. The compressor would cycle quickly. So I got to checking, and apparently the reeds in here are leaking. If we turn off the suction line to prove that it's not the solenoid leaking by, the thing continues to cycle because the switch here you see is on top of the head. So what I did was get it to pump down and quickly shut off the discharge valve here, and then it would stop and not cycle. So that makes me lead to the conclusion that it's leaking back in on the discharge side. Now I guess it could be a gasket or something too, but I picked up a valve plate kit and I'm going to close off the valves, pull the head off the top, and see what we got in there. So here's what's happening. I've got the suction line shut completely off and it cycles back and forth real quickly. Okay, so here's the valve plate. This out of the way there. There's the head. I left the pressure switch on it, the high pressure switch. Just took the coil loose from this. I'll have to clean this gasket off good. But underneath this plate you'll have some suction reeds there too. And beneath that is the actual pistons. So I've never done one of these, so I'm not sure if you can see enough wire in it to know what's happened or not. But bottom line is, it's cold out here. I'm going to clean this gasket material off and get the new kit out. The gaskets are very tough to get off. You just have to keep scraping away at it. Okay, I got the block and the head cleaned up. It's tough to get them gaskets off after they've been on there and gotten hot. You need to pick the right gasket out of your kit, because just like a small block Chevy, these things come with different bore sizes. See all the different gaskets you got. If you had too large of a gasket, you would actually increase the capacity and kill your compressor efficiency. And too small of a gasket would stick over in here and probably cause it to knock or anything, because that piston pretty much comes all the way to the top. Now, here's the new suction reeds and the little springs. You have to put them down over the pins here. I'm not going to try to do it on camera because my hands are cold, but you have to pick out the right reeds as well. As you can see, if you can see them on there, there's 4 other ones there. 2 of them are shorter and 2 of them are thinner than these 2 I've got here. You have to look at the serial number on the compressor to tell whether to use the thick ones or the thin ones. There they are laid in place. You can see they've got the little springs beneath them. Without those springs, chances are the piston would come up and clip these things off, especially over time. It's got a little landing pad back here. So now we'll put the new valve plate on. I've got to open it up and I'll lay it on there and take another shot. And there is the new valve plate laid in place. You've got your new head gasket. Whew, it's cold. Different type of material than the old one. The old head gasket was actually the same as the valve to block gasket. So maybe that will clean up better next time. I don't know. I'm gonna move this thing up here and get these bolts torqued on. Okay guys, she's a choo-choo. I'm going to run it around here in defrost. Killed the valves. It's overfeeding. Now, sometimes it'll raise back up, of course, and might have to pump down a couple of times before it'll hold, but it's already holding longer than it was before. too dark in there to see. Differential is set on 20. And the cut in is at 23 or something. Maybe 25. And now I'll do that a little bit because that refrigerant keeps expanding and builds up some pressure as everything warms up out here. But once she comes out of defrost, solenoid should open. And off to the races again. Got to go inside and move the stuff in the freezer around. I had to open up the end of the box, take a shelf out. I had to get in there until my early defrost termination relay and check in. Well, she satisfied once when I was out there picking up tools, so it's just come on again. They keep it about 0 because of the ice cream. So I got the shelves pushed back over, they can restock it. I'm gonna call it a night. It's dark. Thanks for watching.